I'm headmaster.
I'm Miss Carson. I'm Albert. And we're going to be performing Victorian School.
Yay.
Hip stroke, hip stroke, hip stroke. Yes, miss. Please, miss, can I go to the toilet? No! Go and see the headmaster for a punishment. No! You can go too, Arthur.
Hello, what are you doing here?
We're in here for he asked for the toilet and I had an argument with the teacher.
So I guess you give it to the kid.
Yes.
Here you go.
Ow! Ow! That's pretty good.
So, boys, what happened?
We got a cane. It's very short.
Yeah. Uh-huh. It's supposed to be. What you get to the teacher and you have to go to the toilet? Naughty boys.
Miss Carson, I believe my brothers are very sorry. May I go and attempt to change my father's mind?
No. Sit here, please. Now let's continue with that hook stroke, please.
Alex.
Excuse me? You know what that just got you into bother for? Yeah, I do.
I don't.
Keep doing it! Hurry up!
No. Miss, I'm finished. I'm finished.
Show me. Here you are. Again! Get that done again.
I tried mine as neatly as I could, miss. Here's my book, miss. There's nothing in it.
Hurry up!
No. Don't.
I finished again.
Brother, I'm scared.
What was that you just done there?
Here's my book.
100. More. I'll do more. 110 of cane. And then
You have to cane me.
no,
Should I go?
B.
Should I go to the headmaster's office?
You can all go.
What did I do? Just being innocent, no?
So guess you are back to the kid.
No. And I'm here this time as well.
Looks like it's a high break. See you soon.
Buy your new Crock-Rock Hoover. It will take away your excess dust and it will start cooking. Only for $4.99 at Sainsbury's.
Welcome back.
So you hear from the kid?
Yes.
Well, I guess they must go to it.
I just came to see your father. I got the cane for that. Ow. Ow. Ow.
Get back to class. That's for kids. Okay, we've been doing some fun stuff while you're away. Excuse me? You said
I agree with him.
I believe
You just need
I
to
believe I should be under the ground. I want to do that. Do it then. I'm doing it. 300 pages of extra starting now.
Excuse me.
No, I said.
I just remembered something.
I share time with your father. Yes, on you go.
Fishing rod.
You disgrace me, you little stank.
Is that not pronounced skunk?
Well, you should be ashamed of it.